Mike.
And I'm Becky.
This is the Mike and Becky Show, re-roofing edition.
Not sure if you can hear it above us, but we're getting a new roof put on. It just sounds like there's a whole bunch of banging and rocking around. But we're excited. We're excited because once this is done, then we can go ahead and we can move on with our trip.
We can get out of Nacogdoches finally. After a month. Eddie's up there on the roof, working hard, trying to avoid the rain.
Yes. From Ed's Mobile RV Repair. He is great. He's busy. Everybody wants his help.
Yeah.
But he's a great guy. So. And his wife Stephanie.
If you ever need RV repair in and around Nacogdoches, Texas, Ed Martinez is your man.
Yes. We're gonna go try and get some things done, but
we're gonna go get some things done.
Yes.
Do or do not. There is no try. Hi, I'm Mike.
I'm Becky.
And this is a sad episode of the Mike and Becky Show. Ruby, our truck, and Winnie, our camper, are dead. But we are alive. We're okay. There was something in the road here on the south side of Houston. I swerved to try to miss it. I missed it. But then the trailer started swinging back and forth and I couldn't control it, and ultimately we hit this cement barrier here. I don't think the airbags did not deploy, so we're more emotionally shaken up than anything else. Brand new roof today. So, anyway, we're not getting to make it to Galveston Island tonight. I don't know where we're staying or where we're going from here, so. But, yeah.
They put on a nice light show for us.
Yes, there we go. Well, I have more than my share of Christmas lights here, but they're all red and blue.
Yeah.
We're safe and sound. Praise the Lord.
Yes.
Hey, I'm Mike.
I'm Becky.
And we're getting a ride in a real police car.
That's right. I can say that this is a first.
Definitely a first, but it's only to the Fairfield Inn.
Yes,
After our accident, we're getting a lift from a very fine officer here in League City, Texas. And it's been a night. We're buckled in, we feel safe. And we're glad we're not going down to the station.